Hello everyone, good day. Today I'm waiting for a model Charger 2, but it doesn't update until now. So I want to do something. Here is a charger, electronic load USB tester. I want to show you how to test the quality of our chargers. We know nowadays we can buy chargers everywhere, and we can see there are different kinds of chargers. They have different structures and functions. Some has multiple ports, and some can display voltage on its surface, and some can support quick charge mode, so it can charge phone fast. Okay, then let's start. First, this is the charger we need to test. We can see it has 3 ports, and we can see its parameter on the surface. Okay, let's see if it fits to its parameters. And this is a Huawei standard charger. We use it as a comparison. Connect the USB tester and the electronic load first. As what I showed before, this charger should support QC 2.0 protocol and QC 3.0 protocol, and Huawei FCP, Samsung AFC, iOS 2.4 amps quick charge mode. We use our UM25C to test these outputs. First, we check this 3 amps port. Connect the devices in this order: power supply, charger, USB tester, and our electronic load. First, adjust the current to 3 amps. The fan starts to work because it needs to cool down. When I adjust the current to 2.7 amps, the screen shut down, and we can see this port stop output. So we cannot adjust the current to 2.7 amps because it's not suitable. It must be triggered to quick charge mode, so it can be set to 3 amps. When we decrease the current, it starts output again. Decrease current. Then we use the quick charge mode. It says it can support QC 2.0 and QC 3.0 quick charge mode. Here we can see DC 3.6 volt to DC 6.5 volt and 3 amperes here. So we start at QC 3.0 mode. Set the current, set the voltage at 6.5 volt. We can see the voltage has been set. Then adjust the current to 3 amperes to see if it is QC 3.0 quick charge mode. Again, it stops output again. So the protocol is not QC 3.0 quick charge mode. Since we cannot know the protocol it supports, we can use another way to test if it can support this quick charge mode. 6.5 volt and 3 amperes. We can use QC 2.0 quick charge mode and set the voltage at 12 volt. Oh, it shows over power protection, which means the power exceeds its protection value. Again, decrease the current value. Trigger QC 2.0 quick charge mode. The light is shining, so we can adjust the quick charge mode. Now we can see the mode is QC 2.0 quick charge mode. Long press the trigger button and we can return to set the current. We can see the power here. It says it can support 6.5 volt and 3 amperes, so the power is 19.5 volt. Adjust the current and check if the power can be set over 19.5 volt. We can see the power is over 20 volt, but it still works. So it must support some protocol we didn't know, and the volt is 6.5 volt and the current is 3 amperes. If you know the protocol, you can leave your message below the video. Then we test the second. It shows it can support 9 volt and 2 amperes. First we decrease the current again and trigger the QC 2.0 quick charge mode, set the voltage at 9 volt and now press the trigger function to return to set the current to 2 amperes. At this step, we need to notice the voltage. When we increase the current, the voltage drop cannot be over 0.5 volt. If so, the quality is not so good. We increase the current. You can see the voltage drop is not so apparent. Still 9.2 volt. At least it is good now. Okay, we set the voltage at 9 volt and set the current at 2 amperes and the quick charge mode is QC 2.0. Now we use this Huawei standard charger as a comparison. There are another way to know the quality of the charger. We need to know the temperature, the working temperature it is. If the temperature increases a lot when it works, the charger is not so good. Set the voltage at 9 and long press the trigger button. Adjust the voltage to 2 amperes again. See the voltage drop. We can see the voltage drop is not higher than 0.5 volt. So in this way, the charger is good. Now we leave them working 10 minutes to see the working temperature they are.
Eternity later.
Okay, let's see the working temperature. We can see the room temperature is 32 degree, 31 degree, 32 degree. And let's see the charger I use. It's over, it's 65 degrees now. And let's see the Huawei standard charger. It's less than 40 degrees. So in this way, Huawei standard charger wins. See that again. It's over 66 degrees. And this one about 36 degrees. Okay, this charger is good, but it is hot. It is hot. Now we test the third mode it supports. It's 12 volt and 1.5 amperes. Trigger the volt. Okay. Now we see we have set 12 volt now. Increase the current to 1.5 amperes. Quick charge mode 2.0, 12 volt, 1.5 amperes is spot. Now we test the other ports. These two is the same port, and they can support 2.5 volt and 2.4 amperes. I think it's iPhone quick charge mode. We use iPhone to test.
2,000 years later.
We use an iPhone to test if it can support 5 volt and 2.4 amperes quick charge mode. Oh, I forgot the USB tester. We can see the quick charge mode is Apple 2.5 amperes and the voltage is 5 volt. So it can support this quick charge mode. And why the current is not 2.4 amperes like what he displayed at this introduction. The current is influenced by many factors, including the remaining batteries, the cable, and the model of this iPhone. We can see the remaining battery is over 88%, so the current won't be so high. So in general, this charger is good for quick charge because we can see the voltage drop is not higher than 0.5 volt. It can help phones to charge faster, but it should give us the protocol which supports 6.5 volt and 3 amperes. This quick charge mode. And it produced more heat on the full power than Huawei standard charger. We see the comparison just now. It's over 60 degrees and it's less than 40 degrees. So it produced more heat. So it's good, but not that good. Still need to be improved. Decrease the heat it produces. And I prefer the Huawei standard charger. Okay, thank you. That's all.